A visual report is a graphical representation of project's data as charts and tables in either Excel or Visio. And Visio is basically a Microsoft program for flowcharts, and it's for those people who don't understand project or don't have project installed on their computer or don't want their data running across many pages. So what I'd like to do here is create a graphical representation of the detailed cost flow on project here. So to do that and to dump it into Excel, I want to come up here, click on the report menu, and go down to Visual Reports. Now notice up at the top that the templates are divided into 6 categories by tab. You've got task usage, resource, and all the rest up here, and then you have the All tab, which will display everything that's found in any one of these tabs here. Then what you select over here, and you can see all these are Excel templates here because it's all green with the little green X. What you select here, you get a sample preview over here. Well, what I want to select is the budget cost report, and then after I can see the sample, well, at least in the chart view, what it's going to look like. And no worries, I mean, if you don't like the colors and stuff, once you export this into Excel, you can always change it. And if you want to learn how to change it, how to deal with charts, you can watch my Excel training videos. Then down at the bottom, you have what's called the select level of usage data to include in the report. You can do it by quarters, you can do it by years, months. I'm going to keep it to quarters. And then when you're finished, all you have to do is come down here and click View, and that's it. And there it is. You've got your Excel workbook that's opened up. Down at the bottom you have your chart, and then on the second tab you have your table. Now notice this is based upon, when you have it selected, the pivot table field list comes up. When you come back to the chart and select the chart, also the pivot table field list comes up. If you don't know what pivot tables are or pivot charts, then I recommend that you watch my Excel training videos on that so you can become more familiar with this. In the next training video, I'm going to go over how to customize your visual reports a little bit, but again, you can get more detailed if you watch those training videos. But other than that, you're just basically sending this over for somebody who doesn't have project to be able to view it. And like I said, in a graphical format here, there it is by quarter, there's quarter 3. If this gets in your way, go ahead and click on the X to close out of the field list. And the chart is based upon the data that we have here on the Assignment Usage tab. Of course, don't forget, if you do want to mess with your pivot table or bring up that field list, as long as you selected one of the cells within the table, you can come back up here, click on the Options tab, and then come over here to the Show Hide group and show your field list again by clicking on it, and then click on it again to remove it. When you're done, be sure to save your work, send it off to them in an email or put it on a disk, and I'm going to go ahead and close out. Not going to save it. And I'm back to my visual report creator. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.